This project will be catalytic for the Discovery District and the Creative Campus. The City of Columbus has been an active partner and really been working with the shoulder to shoulder on how to make sure that we really are building something that's going to have a sustainable impact over time. This whole project is partnership driven, and it rose to the top of our priority list because of the commitment of private philanthropy.
It's another great example of the Columbus way. We believe we do public-private partnerships better here in Columbus than anywhere else in America. And this is another great example of that. You know, Columbus State working with the city, with the county, with other private sector partners, with other institutions to bring our collective resources together to help transform a corridor and connect people to jobs, opportunity, and great places to live.
I get excited about the whole new hospitality management school at Columbus State for a multitude of reasons. One is a selfish reason, simply because it just increases the caliber and the pipeline of graduates that will hopefully come one day work for Karen Mitchell Restaurants. So that's number one. Number two, my love of the industry and giving back to the industry. And number three, my love of the community and Columbus community, which I'm very proud of, and want to continue to see that grow and flourish. And I think Columbus State is a jewel for our community, and building this hospitality management school will only enhance that. And we want this school to be the premier hospitality management school in the Midwest.
Your contribution will afford us the opportunity to complete this building, continue to grow for the students, and to keep them out of debt. That is so important, and along with helping others within the city. It's not just building a building, it's building a vision and building a community.